Hello guys, my name is Maria and I am your Brazilian teacher for the minute. Brazil is a very large country in territory and demography, therefore consequently being a very plural place. So Brazil is a place with many accents and regional variations. And today we are going to speak about the Mineiro accent. Minas Gerais is a Brazilian state very known by its food, like the Portuguese, and it also has a very unique linguistic variation. It is very common for people of this region, like me, to shorten words or putting more than one together when speaking. And we also have some specific dialectical expression from this region. So, ready to see some examples? A classic of this variation is the word trem or train. So basically it's possible to use the word trem for anything, like anything at all. Let's see some practical examples. For instance, you can say, pega esse trem aí pra mim. Or you can also say, eu estou com vontade de comer trem gostoso hoje. See, you can use it for almost anything. I think pretty much anything. Another very common variation from this region is the contraction of the pronoun in the second person, você. So, instead of saying, onde está você? We say, onde cê tá? We can notice that it's possible, when we do this contraction, to change the position of the verb estar and the pronoun você. So, we see them changing positions. Still speaking about contractions in the language, we can also see the contraction of multiple words becoming one. So let's see a good example. So, a sentence that is like, eu estou indo para o ponto de ônibus can become, eu tô indo pro ponto de ônibus. Another pretty common variation is the verb arredar. That means that a person wants you to move away, like this person needs some space. So let's see an example. Arreda pra lá, eu não tô cabendo aqui. We also have a very funny adjective for when we don't like someone. That is barangá for girls and barangô for boys. This adjective means that you think that this person is ugly, not only about like beauty, but like in personality, or maybe this person is very cheesy. So you can say, nossa, a Maria está muito baranga hoje. Or we can say, Carlos está sendo muito barango hoje. And for last but not least, we also have the verb cascar fora. Means that you want to get out of a situation as soon as possible, or even that your mother is mad at you because it's late and you are still in the street. In a good example, a Brazilian mineira mother could say to you, Ei menino, casca fora daí que a janta já tá pronta. I know that many foreign people when coming to this state can find a big issue with the language barrier because of this accent that contracts a lot these words. Okay, so now you are ready to visit one of the most warming states of Brazil and try the real Portuguese with cafezinho. See you later, class!